Hey everyone, today in this video, we're going to look at common vacuum maintenance for the 3i G10 Plus. If you're interested in this product or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. So first things first, starting with the vacuum up at the top, just wipe this down periodically and investigate right here on the front navigational bumper to make sure there's no objects or debris in this channel that would obstruct the bumper from working properly. Also, you have a handle here to remove the dust canister, and then from here on the sides we just gently pop this open. That reveals our filter that we can clean out and replace as needed. Just grab some compressed air. That's going to be a great way to breathe some new life into this filter. Just snaps right back in. The lid will also snap on. Then we come to this side, we can press here. This will empty over your wastebasket or trash can. In the inside right here, you can wipe this down, give it a nice blast of compressed air as well, just to keep that in tip-top shape. With this removed, just investigate in here, make sure everything looks good, wipe down as needed. You might have some debris in this channel. Again, wipe down, cut away. Moving along to the side of the vacuum, wipe down the sensors on the front. We can keep going along the back side here. We have another sensor right there on the side. On the very back, you'll notice too, we have a release for the water tank. So very easy. If you ever want to rinse this out, just pop this cap and you can rinse it right there. That's obviously how you're going to refill and add water as well, but really nothing you need to do there. And same with the back side of the unit with the tank removed. Nothing really that you would have to do for there. Now looking at the underside, there's a couple of things you'll want to keep an eye on. The first one's going to be the mopping module. Just press those buttons to release, and then you have the whole pad removed. It's just microfiber for the cloth, so you can go ahead, you can pull that out, you can put this in your washer, give it a nice clean. Obviously when it's time and it's worn out, you can replace that. And you can rinse down the rest of the pad as desired, and then that just snaps right back on. Main brush roller, make sure you're detangling this periodically, cutting away any hair. You can clean and wipe down inside there as well. And when the brush wears out, that's also replaceable. Side cleaning brush, detangle as needed. And if you need to replace this, it's just a Phillips head screw. We have some cliff sensors and charging contacts. You can wipe those down accordingly as well as dust starts to accumulate on those sensors. Overall, it's a very simple and straightforward vacuum to take care of, and with basically your self-empty integrated directly into the dustbin, how it compresses that dust, it replaces a whole nother station, freeing up your space around your house, but also it's just less stuff to maintain. You don't have to empty vacuum bags or anything along those lines. That's also going to save you some money. So overall, very simple, straightforward vacuum to maintain.